So as you know, our product comes in a 50 milliliter size and a 220. The 50 milliliter is just like the 220 in every single aspect. It uses a mixing tip and a dispensing gun. The dispensing gun works the same as the larger gun. The only difference with this one being, it needs to have the slide inserted into the gun when you initially get it so you can start using it. To do this, we have a thumb release just like the larger gun. You hold the thumb release up with the loading door closed. You place the slide to the inside and push it all the way back. The gun's now ready to be loaded with a cartridge. Our composite one is what I'm going to do the example with here. The composite one, you would drop it in the same as you would with any of the others. Shut it, push the plunger forward a few clicks. Now everything's secure. We have the same airtight cap. This one, however, requires no tools or special method for removing other than rotate it, pop it straight up. There's a little insert to the inside. You need to make sure that that is actually in the cap and not still on the tube. If it stays on the tube, you just lift it off and dispose of it. The mixing tip is applied by pushing it down to where it's fully down on the shoulder, and then you rotate it 90 degrees. We're ready to point and shoot. This Composite One product was developed in conjunction with our other products, but this one is designed specifically to work with carbon fiber devices and pre-preg devices. The material itself is slightly more flexible and is black in appearance to blend with the device itself. Our example here will be one of the primary uses of Composite One in pre-preg bracing, which would be to add, let's say, a 4-foot posting. To gain a 4-foot posting, all I would do would be start moving the hand plunger. This posting will stay in place and is able to be buffed smooth within 10 minutes. The Composite One gives you a little bit more working time, which makes it a lot easier to apply a controlled buildup on the device. What I tell people here is you want to do more work when it's a liquid and you don't need a grinder, and less work with the grinder. Okay, so you can see now I've done a pretty nice 4-foot posting on this brace. Left myself plenty of material to come in and shape it. But there's another trick to this. I can take a gloved hand and I can come in and I can wipe and get my edges nice and clean. Totally uniform. So within just a few moments, I would be able to take this into our grinder room, clean it up, dress it up, and buff it so it will match the brace and would give me a solid 4-foot posting on this pre-preg AFO. Well, this has been just a brief overview of our PLUSeries adhesives. We do offer many other videos on their uses online at fabtechsystems.com.